Wow, PowerDirector 17 has been released as of today. And probably the one I'll be going for will be the Ultimate, and it looks like my upgrade costs are going to cost me $84. They do have a monthly one, but I've never been a real fussy on that. So what do we got in PowerDirector 17 from what I'm seeing here underneath their what's new? I've never actually used this, the multicam designer and collage thing. So if you do, that might interest you. Video collage designer, again, I've never really used this, but I'm sure some people do. This does interest me to have some improved editing to the title designer, because it's always nice to have a little bit more titles inside of your videos. Nested project. Add, edit multiple projects in your timeline. This could be interesting, but I'm sure there's a learning curve to it. Video precut. Precut clips to save in your library and reuse them throughout your project. This could be fun. This would save a lot of time. This one has really got my interest right here. Create a brush mask in a mask designer. Use the brush tool to create custom irregular shapes to apply to your video. I like the idea of irregular shapes. Now, that would mean I could have two videos. Well, maybe not. I could have one video where I cut myself out on the right and leave myself in normal video speed, where on the left I could be speeding it up where the cars are flying by really quick. Or maybe I do that with two videos. But being able to cut irregular shapes out could be interesting. This I can't wait to check out. This will be quite interesting, because this will really give me access to a lot of effects if it's doing what I think it's doing. Improve motion tracking. I mean, this would be nice if this works, because motion tracking is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of not that great. It really takes a lot of editing. Advanced Chromakey. I do use my green screens quite a bit, so it would be interesting to see how much more advanced that is. I even use a couple apps on my cell phone to actually get this perfect with green screens, but this is pretty interesting too. Keyframing, opacity editing. Might be interesting. Not sure yet. I don't do a lot of paint designing, so I'm not much of a drawer, so I don't really use this that much, but maybe other people do. I don't use any 360-degree footage yet. I just haven't broke down and bought a 360-degree camera because I don't think the cameras are where they need to be yet. I mean, I've seen some people using them, and I'm like, it's new tech. It's getting there. It still needs a lot of work for me. Extended format support. This is always a good thing. It's always nice to have more formats, especially RAW is nice. Subtitles. I like it. I like that. Capturing webcam while recording. This could come in handy for my tutorials for you guys. We'll have to see. Updated capture module. Might be nice. Integrated audio. I do use their other program for audio, so would be interesting to see how much more editing of the audio can be done here. Best match profile. That would make it easier for people when they actually start producing their videos. Again, improved performance. Really like this idea. I like it when they make things faster. So I'm kind of interested to see how this works. And point of use tutorials and hotkeys. I don't know what that is, but that could be interesting. But there's a few things in here it looks like I want to try. If the creative brush, if this actually does what I'm expecting it to do, and the green screen, and of course the speed, if those three things really kick in, then it will be worth upgrading for me. Probably the next couple of days I'll be upgrading and then spending some time looking at it. And as usual, guys, I do not get these products for free. Cyberlink does not send it to me for free. I'm just like you guys. Everything I do, I buy with my own money. Every review I make, it's my own thing. So, nobody's paying me. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just do this stuff because I enjoy it. So, PowerDirector 17 is out. If you're gung-ho about getting it, and again, if you go, I'll send you this page here in the link below. You can click features, what's new, compare, learning, specs, and stuff like that. What's new is probably the best one right here that you're looking at. And like I said, I'll be going for the Ultimate, and the upgrade one is what I'll be going for. But if I take a quick look, what does comparison do? Ultra, Ultimate. So they're trying to get everybody to go into this director, this monthly thing. That's just not me. All check marks, all check marks, all check marks. We're looking at the first 2 boxes. So I'm going to get a wedding pack if I go for the Ultimate. Not like anybody's getting married in my family. Looks like we get an extra thing from Pro Dad here. And it looks like we get a whole bunch of other effects with the titler, paint, film, with new blue and stuff like that. But we only get a few here. We get one new. We get a titler, and you don't get that much, huh? Really? You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't know. Maybe I'm not going to do the Ultimate. Content pack, content pack. Music, big deal. I can get that anywhere. Wow. So what's the difference in the upgrade of this? So $70 compared to $84. So $14 more to get a couple more titler things here. What do you guys think? Which one are you going to upgrade yourselves if you're going to do it? Would you pay the extra, $14, $17 or whatever to upgrade to the Ultimate, or would you stick with Ultra? I'm kind of curious to know. Let me know, guys. And my next video is probably going to be on what PowerDirector 17 can do. Catch you guys on the next one.